This is a model of a combination lock. It has 3 tumblers. Each tumbler has a groove, and when those grooves are in alignment you can open the lock. It's currently locked. You can't unlock it. You have to know the combination. The combination for this model is 30, 10, 17. To unlock it, first you rotate the dial 2 full turns clockwise, then continue to the first number, 30. Then you rotate a full rotation anti-clockwise and continue to the second number, 10. Now you rotate clockwise to the third number, 17. Now the tumblers are in alignment and you can unlock it.